Look at the side profile of this guy. Mmm, delicious. All right, we're doing a little build for Quantum today. We got some Nixies that are lubed and filmed. Very nice job. Are these broken in by any chance? 62 gram springs. It is crazy though how the spring in these Nixies does alter the sound like ever so slightly. They are? Yeah, I was gonna say they definitely feel broken in. Cool. So I got distracted by this cat sticker. That's a cute sticker actually. Cute, very cute. Nixies for a board by Nix. Yes, sir. Cute, yeah, it's kind of a cute sticker. Custom Keys Co. I haven't heard of them. I'll have to check them out afterwards. All right. We also have some AP stabs, which will make, hopefully, the keyboard, will make this sound really good. Quantum also did send over some creamsicles. Now, I have built one of the Liliths before, and I do think the Nixies would be a better fit for it. I think these might be a little too aggressive of a switch. So I think we're gonna not use these today. And then we have our keyboard. But this guy fell off. There we go. Remember to test the PCBs. We'll do that. Oh, okay. I have not seen the production run for this, but this is cute. All right. Not for nothing. I like the little Ziploc pouch that they give you with this. Cool. All right, Antipode, let's go. This can be reused for things too, unlike the plastic bags. That's nice. All right, we got a little, is this aluminum or copper? I don't know why I think this is a copper plate. I think this is copper. Not as cute as you, what's up, Oak? Very nice. Copper plates. Use that bag for your stab wires. I don't think this is big enough for stab wires. Maybe for a 6.25U, but...
3-month anniversary.
Whoa.
I forgot to send roses.
You know, if you sent roses, bro, I'd want it to be a forever rose, all right? So we can spend forever together. Ooh, pretty colored PCB as well. I got some other stuff here. I am highly unsure what this is. Gaskets? More gaskets? I don't know if this is just like a separate thing of gaskets. Choo Choo, thank you guys. Paint match, oh, okay. It's alu? Damn. That's like crazy close to copper color, no? That's a really cool color match there for copper. Oof. Look at this, guys, hold on. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Very nice. Let's take a look at the board too. Very pretty. The Lilith was very fun to photograph, by the way. I thought this board looked absolutely stunning. I learned that this board is actually still in stock today. I think they're selling extras. But yeah, this is a special one for Quantum. Get the little feetsies on there. That board is pretty. Yeah, this is a, like even, okay, I don't know why my camera's freaking out. I am a big sucker for the way certain anos, like just how they hit light different. So when you can get a really nice, where'd this foot go? When you get really nice like light reflection off the side profile there, big sucker for it, dude. Big sucker. Is this just the daughter board in here? Because we're gonna test the PCB here in a second, so. Well, my camera does not like the back of this for whatever reason. Let's see, what do we got in here? Okay, we do have daughter board, and I think these are just screws and sticker. Okay, we'll leave these to the side. I don't like the fact that they didn't heat shrink the cable. I thought they were gonna do that on this, but it's kind of messy looking, but shouldn't be an issue. We'll make it look nice. I mean, it's gonna be fed through this anyways. Little Caesars is healthy for you. According to the stat the mean Angel read. I don't care if it's fake or not, but they said it was real, so. All right, let's plug this guy in and let's get this. God, the peach bottom is so good. Quantum, I'm gonna take a whole bunch of photos before I send this back to you. That way that you can have like a whole bunch of, hell, I'll even use the 60 megapixel camera. I'll take some giant 8,000 by 5,000 pixel photos for you. You can do whatever you want with them. Beautiful pink PCB. Ooh, so cute. Little copper and pink together. All right. Well, yeah, it's like a copper orangey, peachy kind of color. Just make sure the plate is a-okay. Looking good, looking good. Let's put in some Nixies switches. Yeah, you don't really need much with TX stabs for these to sound good. This looks so good, man. Oh, baby. Okay, let's get the screwdriver kit. Oh, I forgot I need to do this first. It's one of those weird weights where you gotta take the weight off and then you take the top frame off. Antipode has been making some pretty cool stuff though, gotta admit. Just here to watch? Hell yeah, dude. Ooh la la. They even did the nice inside coating too on the way? Okay, let's go Did Antipode do this? Did they do the custom things or did you send it off somewhere else? Yeah, they did a very, very good job. Whoever did this. Whoever did the, I guess the ano. Yeah, some of the corners aren't amazing on the insides, but you know what? Still looks great. No, this is not a color I don't think they're offering. This was completely done for Mr. Quantum. I'm pretty positive. I don't know if this is re-anoded on the copper. I have no idea, to be honest with you. That is definitely a question for Quantum there. I think there might be a B stock for Peach. Really? I don't think I saw that on the website. One of one offering? I wonder what makes it a B stock. My favorite long pull switches right now are probably cream sodas or obscuras. Okay, we'll see how nice and pretty looking we can make this, but I might be taping this down because, yeah, it's kind of messy with the no shrink wrap, or no shrink, heat shrink or whatever it's called. Might have to tape it down to make it look a little nicer than that, but it's okay, it's okay. Now we got some gaskets. Was there a difference between these two gaskets? I feel like these are pretty dense. The assemble is so cute, by the way. I don't know, I think these are all the same. Yeah, they're all the same material. Yeah, all right. Kind of satisfying to put these gaskets in. Okay, the scatter and assemble one's pretty cute too. Too lazy to run right now. Oh, do I need this second one here? Yeah, T-Point did a really good job with this actually. I'm very, very happy with Antipode's stuff. They're one of the few vendors that I feel like are still doing pretty good work with a lot of things in the hobby. Oh, perhaps we do need the other box of, will I have enough? I think I will. I got my KBD Craft Lilith. It's kind of a... it's kind of annoying that there's 2 Lilith keyboards now, for sure. No, I know there's the Lego one now. There's the Lego Lilith, and then there's this Lilith. So there's 2 Liliths. Oh man, the polycarbonate looks fresh on this. Oh, that's the wrong slot for that guy. Or wait, do I have to do the weight first? I think I do the weight first. I don't remember how this works. Darth, thank you so much for being here, man. Appreciate that, dude. Love you, buddy. Is the peach colorway? This is the peach, not rose gold. Oh, I remember what to do now. I put the screws in first. And then you kind of have to flip it on its head there and then hope it's all okay. I can see why they chose a pink PCB for this. The copper makes the polycarbonate look very pink. This is going to be very cool when we actually get it all set up over here. You guys will see. It'll look really, really sick. The nice thing about using like 2 different materials is it really changes the way the keyboard like overall just kind of feels, you know? Some funky tape. Yeah, this tape is typically not really used for something like this, but actually we'll do it like this. Dude, Osu, thank you so much. I appreciate the 5 tier 1s. I hope you're having a great day today. Thank you, man. The orange is rad, but the slight shade mismatch with the weight would drive me nuts. Really, I kind of like that the weight is a slight different color, personally. I don't mind that at all. I feel like it gives it a little bit of character, if you know. Just like that little bit of character, which is nice. 2-tone is the way. Yeah, I kind of feel that way. I think this would have been super neat if they decided to go a... okay, I think that's better. Yeah. If they decided to go a like a patinaed copper for this, non-clear coat it. Ooh, baby. Now that would have been sick. Ooh. Look at the side profile of this guy. Delicious. This had to be, when I was taking photos of this board, this had to be like absolutely one of my favorite side profiles with the use of polycarbonate and stuff like that. It is so pretty. Looks so nice. Yeah, this turned out great. All right. It's keycap time. Accent enter or no? An accent escape or no? Ooh, baby. This is a very, very nice looking keyboard. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on, that looks fucking great from the side profile. Let's see, a little bit on an angle. I do like the weight being a little bit different shade than the actual anodization. I think that looks really nice. Low-key, this cable kind of goes with it too, huh? The orange cable does kind of low-key go with this. Ooh. All right, let's see what this sounds like. We're using cherry Nixies, aluminum plate. There's nothing else in it really that matters, but TX stabs. Switches were done with 205G0, and then they were also filmed, and they're using 62 gram springs, I believe. 62 gram springs. Little HJ test for you guys. Already sounding good though. Oh, that does sound good. Hold on, I'm like typing random shit and I'd rather type it here. It's a very fun sound signature with the Nixies. This is probably a board that would sound really good without a desk pad too, actually. The reason why is because it already has a bit of a bassy sound signature to it. Here, let me try. I'm very curious. Very, very curious how this will sound without a desk pad. Yeah, it sounds great without a desk pad.
Long pole?
No, these are actually cherry switches. They're Nixies. This turned out really nice. What a fun project this was. Damn, this turned out really nice. The gaskets are a little bit harder than pour-on. I don't exactly know what the gaskets were made of, but you can kind of feel some feedback while typing, and it's like very slight, but it's actually quite enjoyable. I can't tell the sound between the desk pad versus none. It's like so slight candy, but there's some boards that sound trash without a desk pad. Keycaps, it is GMK Peaches and Cream. Lite. AKA what Peaches and Cream should have been the first time. Now this sounds real good, man. It's interesting using broken end Nixies, because you don't hear much of the scratch in these, do you? Yeah, you really don't. And then this is using Hyperglides. No, they're broken in. Hyperglides aren't as scratchy, I feel. Yeah, interesting. Very interesting experience with these Nixies. Very nice. Yeah, it's a nice space bar. Super crispy sounding. Well, I can't wait to take some pictures of this one. Drum, thank you so much for the tier 1, man. Appreciate you, dude. Sounds great. Quantum, do we love it? I think everything about this keyboard looks great. It's really nice that you can kind of see some of the color of the bottom through the polycarbonate too. Almost makes it look like the polycarbonate has dyed. Which is kind of cool, but it's not. The only thing I wish they did with the Nix Lilith is I do wish they offered some different color gaskets for the top over here. Although I don't mind that. I know some people would prefer something like maybe like a gray or something like that, or even something white, but it's a nice board. I'm genuinely pretty happy with it. Or clear, yeah, clear would have been a good option too, but you would still see some of the residue from the adhesive. Bye everyone, thanks so much for the follows, guys. Thanks for the subs tonight. If you guys want to see more keyboard content, if you guys are new here, I do keyboard content like 5 days a week. It's been a bit busy because of the holidays, but we do a lot of keyboard stuff here and we just chill. It's very like relaxed, so appreciate you guys all tuning in today. Quantum, this board was awesome to do. If you guys haven't checked out Quantum, pretty fun personality on Twitch as well. You guys should definitely check out Mr. Quantum's stream. Take care, everyone. See you guys and enjoy Tyler's stream, guys. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye.